Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. Today I have a gentle morning yoga stretch practice for you. I am currently in Duck Creek, Utah at this beautiful cabin and just enjoying this space. And I'm really hoping there are some deer right now over to my left. I hope they'll come into the frame. And there's also some beautiful blue jay in the trees, and I hope they come into the frame so you can see them and just add a little extra to this morning practice. So all of the poses we'll be doing will be lying down. This practice you can do in your bed before you get out of bed, or of course on your mat. So with that, let's get started down on our backs. And you won't need any props for this practice. So just coming all the way down. Let's bring the knees into the chest. Take the knees nice and wide. Bring the toes in towards one another. And just gently hugging the knees towards the armpits, opening up through the hips, stretching through your low back. Let's take 3 big breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. And now sending your feet all the way up, extending the legs, holding onto the backs of your thighs, and just point and flex through the feet. Rotate through the ankles. And then bending your knees once again, bringing your feet to your mat, opening up into butterfly, reclined butterfly, soles of the feet together. And let's just start with the hands on the belly. And we'll take 3 breaths here into the belly, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out the mouth. And now bringing the arms back behind you, we'll open up across the chest, opening up into the underarm area, opening up your whole front body. And taking those same 3 cleansing breaths, this time breathing into your lungs, the front and the back. Now just sliding the arms down, bringing the hands to your outer thighs, support bringing the knees up. Walk the feet out a little further than hip width distance, and then we'll just windshield wiper the knees, the legs, side to side. And then coming back to center, walk your feet back in so they're hip width distance. And with that right ankle, bringing it on top of your left thigh, send the right knee away from you. And now let the legs fall over to the left. Using your left hand to gently hold on to that right ankle as you pull it in a little closer to you. And then you can open up your right arm out to the side, softening through the upper back, through the hip girdle, pelvic floor. And just gently breathing into the space of the right side of the ribs. And now bringing that right arm up over the head or straight back behind you. And now stretching into that whole right side body. Breathing into this space of this stretch. Let's take one more breath here. Inhale, filling up that whole right side, and then hold the breath. And now breathing in a little bit more, filling up a little bit more. Taking a slow open mouth exhale, letting everything go. And then bringing that right arm back down, bring the legs back up, keep your figure four. And then we're just going to bring that left knee up, coming into our reclined pigeon pose, interlacing the fingers, holding on behind the back of the left thigh or on top of the shin. Stretching into that right hip, glute, hamstring. One more breath here. And releasing the legs down. And we'll do this right on the other side. So left ankle on top of that right thigh. Send that left knee away, letting the legs fall to the right. Holding on to that left ankle, opening up that left arm. Allowing the muscles across the chest to soften. And now bringing that left arm back behind you. Breathing here. Taking a full breath in, breathing into that whole left side body, and then holding the breath. Breathing in a little bit more. Slow open mouth exhale. And bringing that left arm back down, bringing the legs up, coming into your reclined pigeon on this side. Last breath here. Releasing the hands, releasing your feet back to your mat. And now extend the legs all the way out. And And walking your legs and your feet over to the right, either the right corner of your mat or your bed. And then you're going to lift your head and shoulders, shift them over to the right. We're creating our banana pose here, bringing the arms up overhead and maybe gently holding on to your left wrist with the right hand. And then crossing that left ankle over the right. And you want to make sure that both of your hips are planted down so we're not rolling over onto the right side body. And getting this nice full stretch through the left side body. Breathing into the space. And one more breath here, full breath in, full breath out. Releasing the arms, the legs, come back to center. Readjust yourself, and then making your way over to the left side. This time holding on to the right wrist, crossing that right ankle over the left, pressing down through the hips. There's a little hummingbird flying right around right now. Let's take one more breath here. Releasing the pose, coming back to center. Reach the arms back behind you, interlace your fingers, and then flip the palms facing back. We're going to flex the toes, send the toes towards you as you reach through the palms of your hands, stretching the back body, front body. Take a full breath in. And then as you exhale, just bring the arms down, bend the knees, hug the knees in once again, taking a few rocks side to side. And rolling over to one side, pressing yourself up. And we'll come to an easy seated pose. Let's bring the palms of the hands together, closing the eyes, taking a big breath in, and a big breath out. Thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope you enjoyed this outdoor practice. May you have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.